Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon iced tea. First, let's gather our simple ingredients to create this refreshing drink. You'll need about 4 to 6 black tea bags, 2 to 3 fresh lemons, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Don't forget plenty of water and ice to chill and serve your delicious beverage. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to brewing. Bring about 4 cups of fresh water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove it from the heat and add your 4 to 6 black tea bags. Let them steep for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how strong you like your tea. After steeping, carefully remove the tea bags and allow the tea to cool down a bit before moving to the next step. With your tea slightly cooled, it's time to add the sweetness and tang. Stir in 1/2 cup of sugar until it's completely dissolved. Next, squeeze the fresh juice from 2 to 3 lemons directly into the tea. Give it a good stir and taste it. Feel free to adjust the sugar or lemon juice to perfectly match your preferred balance of sweet and tart. Finally, pour your perfectly brewed lemon iced tea into a pitcher and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for the best flavor. When ready, serve it over plenty of ice, garnished with fresh lemon slices. It's the ideal drink for a warm day or any time you crave something refreshing. For more great deals and to find the link for the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Enjoy your homemade iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.